So now we are at job 2925. This job is in Anderson. This is the great room. They designed quite a few areas in the house with their grandchildren visiting in mind, and the great room was part of that vision, so here we are. This is a big old entertainment center, and it is so big, it is 12 feet tall. This particular entertainment center gets a rolling ladder, which is not shown in this picture. So it is actually a series of base cabinets, because it obviously isn't one giant cabinet. That would be crazy. We have, of course, the top, these upper sections here with the arches. These sides have adjustable shelves. This one's left open for a big old television set. And then above here we just have some little open uppers, and then the crown wraps into the room, so it's going to be all integrated into the room. And here's the rail for the rolling ladder. This was really important to this client.
This particular job, we got most of the trims done up. I was actually at this job Friday again because they added some wainscoting in the stairwell. They are actually putting mirrors in this wainscoting, which I've never actually done, but it might be kind of neat, I don't know.
And another area that was actually featured on our Facebook page is the mudroom. And remember, the fun thing about this mudroom is it has drawers. The other area that is in this house that we've looked at is the nook. And it's the reading nook. Here's the black and white showing all the little technical details that you need. And here's the pretty ones, the pretty rendered drawings showing that it's, you know, going to have the drawers underneath. We do love drawers. The twin mattress, and then the recessed bookshelves